Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pumpkin pie from scratch. We'll begin by preparing the foundation, a delicious, flaky pie crust. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh pumpkin puree ready. For the crust, you'll need about 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Once mixed, remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender, easy-to-roll crust. Let's get started. Now let's create the heart of our pie, the rich, creamy filling. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of pumpkin puree with 3 large eggs. Next, sweeten it up by mixing in 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. For that classic flavor, add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, whisk in 1½ cups of evaporated milk until the mixture is perfectly smooth. With your filling ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the creamy pumpkin mixture into your chilled, unbaked pie crust. Place it in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for an initial 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes. Your pie is done when a knife inserted near the center comes out clean, indicating it's perfectly set. The final and perhaps hardest step is patience. Allow your beautiful pumpkin pie to cool completely on a wire rack. This crucial cooling period takes at least 2 to 3 hours, ensuring the filling sets perfectly. Once cooled, slice and serve with a generous dollop of whipped cream or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Any delicious leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.